AI Accelerator packs a ton of material into 4 workshops over 2 weeks. The first workshop is a great overview of AI technology and how AI is impacting marketing and advertising. The second workshop gets into campaign activation, media buying, and analytics. The third workshop gets into creative and content production. And the last workshop, the fourth one, covers future trends that are going to be impacting the industry into 2026. One of the best things about AI Accelerator is that you are learning from industry professionals. You are learning from the people who are executing with AI tools right now, and even people who are building the next wave of AI platforms that marketers are going to use. What does it mean for a marketer to have AI superpowers? In a pre-AI world, it was your responsibility to accomplish every little task in your marketing workflow. Now it's your job to be able to prompt an AI to accomplish tasks for you. At the beginning, you'll be able to accomplish twice as much as you used to be able to accomplish. And then it'll be 3 times as much, 4 times as much. AI Accelerator graduates are including marketers from some of the top companies in the world, companies like Discover, Diageo, Amazon, Nestle, Sanofi, NBC, TripAdvisor. They are all walking away with a way better sense of how AI is going to impact marketing and advertising in 2026. Teams love AI Accelerator because it's a great way to learn together in a fully interactive, fun environment. You can get your whole team up to the same level of AI knowledge and have a great time doing it. We've got a great early bird discount running right now that gets you a great discount either off of individual or team tickets. If you have 2025 training or L&D budget left over, getting Q1 AI Accelerator Bootcamp tickets is a great use of those funds. Make sure to get your tickets now. It will sell out about a week before it starts on January 13th. AI in marketing and advertising is not just some emerging trend anymore. It is here. For the 2025 holiday season, retailers are reporting traffic being up 830% from AI tools. So think about that and what's going to happen next year. 2026 is probably going to be kind of a roller coaster when it comes to advertising and marketing and AI. You kind of don't know what to expect. And U of Digital AI Accelerator is meant to get everybody in the industry up to a great baseline of knowledge so that they are ready for all the changes that are coming.